काँग्रेस पक्ष पदयात्रा फक्त नांवांक काडटा। भाजपान जनताक फटयला सांगून काँग्रेस पक्ष जनतेकडसून सहानुभूती घेवपाक सोदता असो आरोप दाबोळीचे आमदार मोविन गुदिन्हो हांणी केला। तशेंच भाजपाची दाबोळी तिकेट आपणाकूच मेळटली अशें मोविनान विश्वास दाखयला आनी मोपा विमानतळ काळाची गरज आसा अशें तांणी मुखार सांगला। RDX गोवा खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा।
I think I have cut my ties with the Congress more than 4.5 years ago. I have made it clear that I will be a BJP candidate in Dabolim, and there is absolutely no doubt in this. And when I say this very emphatically, it is based on substance. Now, if you are talking of a Congress Padyatra, see the response. Is it a Padyatra or is it a walk in the park? I would invite the congressmen, because there are not many people. If they really want to take a walk in the park, they can come in my joggers park. They will get good exercise. Because a Padyatra should mean thousands of people walking alongside you, sharing your views, being concerned that yes, I am concerned about these issues. You all are the leaders who are concerned. No such thing is visible in this Padyatra. Every issue that they are trying to raise, it is brought by them, and they are the culprits, and they were responsible for those issues. They were making an issue about Dabolim airport being closed. Now it is very clear that Dabolim airport will continue. MOPA is coming. In fact, on the one side, they are crying hoarse that there is no employment generation unless big projects come up, and tourism being the mainstay of Goa. How will Goa develop? We badly need that MOPA airport. And when Dabolim will continue, when air traffic is bound to grow by leaps and bounds, when both airports are required, is it not going to bring about development in entire Goa? Maybe it will bring more development in the north with MOPA. But how big is Goa? It is the half the size of a district of any big state.